Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up DS4 Windows for PS5 controller on PC. Just a quick tip before we start, DS4 is also for PS5 controller if you are already questioning that from the start. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing is basically download DS4 Windows on your any browser of your choice. Basically Google Chrome or anything will do. Basically this is the main Windows or website for it. Basically ds4-windows.com, and on the main page it should look like this. Let me go ahead and show you real quick. Over here, basically type in ds4-windows.com, and it should look like this. Basically just click on download right over here. On the download section, just go ahead and scroll down until you see the section that says official DS4 Windows and click on download. Once you click on download, go ahead and extract the zip file using WinRAR or 7-zip. Open the extracted folder, and this is what it should look like. But basically it's gonna make you install Viagra bus driver. Basically it's not gonna work without this, so basically just install everything and continue the installation process. Once done, make sure you connect your PS5 controller via Bluetooth, but I'd recommend using a wired one before you do anything with the wireless one. So that's what I really recommend. Next, Windows should pop up. This is what it should look like. I put a screenshot right over here and it should look like this. Sometimes it might look like a white background, but I have dark mode, so this is what it should look like. Your controller should appear under the controllers tab with connected. If not, check the troubleshooting section below. So that's what we're gonna do. There you go. So go to your profiles tab, click edit to customize button, sensitivity, dead zone, basically all your preference. Step 7, set up auto profile optional. Go to auto profiles, click add, select the game, and basically if you're running if you're gonna run GTA 5 or any racing games, basically that's for the profiles. A lot of this are basically optional for 6, 7, and 8. 6, 7, so 8, 9, and test the game. If it fixed, congratulations, enjoy your game with the PS5 controller. So this is basically all the troubleshooting step that you need. Install the bus driver right over here. If it did not work, by the way, there should be a other pop-up that might make you install like the network or the C++. They're distributable. You need to go ahead and click on that and download. If the game did not recognize the controller, just basically restart it. That really worked for me, and run as administrator. So basically that's it all for this video, guys, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.